Hello guys, it's Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I'm going to show you how to do an instant skin whitening coffee facial at home. Applying coffee directly to your skin may help decrease the appearance of sunspot, redness and fine lines. Coffee is good for your skin because of its antioxidant properties. Also, it is an excellent exfoliator and helps in stimulating blood flow, which reduces acne and even cellulite and stretch marks. The first step of this facial is cleansing. To make this cleanser, first add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder in a bowl. Now add some lime juice to it. Take a lime and cut a piece from it. Now squeeze out the juice from the lime piece. Take a washed aloe vera leaf. Cut a piece from it. Remove the skin of that piece. Now, using a spoon, add some fresh aloe vera gel to the lime and coffee mixture. Aloe vera helps soothe sunburn, moisturize the skin, reduce acne and infections, lighten blemishes on face, remove dark spots and many other skin benefits. Now mix it. Finally, add some rose water or water. Again, mix it well. Make a smooth paste like this. Gently massage your skin and clean your skin using this cleanser. Do it 3 to 4 minutes. A common benefit of facial cleansing is the removal of dirt, oil and sweat on skin. After 5 minutes, wash your face. Step number 2 is scrubbing. To make this scrub, first add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder in a clean bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. Take a tomato, cut a piece from it. Mix coffee and sugar. Now, dip the tomato slice in coffee sugar mixture. Our scrub is ready to use. Gently scrub your face using this prepared tomato slice. Do it for 10 minutes. Scrubbing cleans skin. Scrubbing gives you clean skin free from dirt, oil and sweat. Also, it improves skin texture and color. Wash your skin after 10 minutes. Step number 3 is skin whitening coffee pack. This is the last step of our facial. First, we should make some tomato paste. To make this tomato paste, take a tomato and grate it using a grater. Make a smooth paste. Tomatoes contain high contents of potassium and vitamin C. It can transform dull skin to glow skin. Apart from this, it helps treat skin problems related to aging and sun damage. Also, it removes dark spots very quickly. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Now add 2 teaspoons of gram flour, also known as besan, to it. Next, add 2 teaspoons of yogurt or curd. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Mix all the ingredients well until it's become a smooth paste. Apply the coffee pack all over your face. This pack will remove dark spots, acne, scars and pimples too. It's best to whiten and brighten your skin quickly. It gives golden color to your skin, remove wrinkles and fine lines too. Keep this pack 40 minutes and wash it off with normal water. For best results, do this facial 3 times a week. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.